NPP Spectr paint plant, research and development, production, delivery of paints and lacquers. #1 producer of thermo-stable enamels in Russia. Spectr's laboratory is headed by candidate of technical sciences Svetlana Tolstosheva. Company have developed an innovative coating system based on polyorganosiloxane resins in 2016. Our laboratory cooperates with leading research institutes of Russia. Expert tests approved product quality, durability, and specified properties. Incoming quality control excludes defective ingredients from the production chain. By continuously testing for product batches, we manage to reduce defective product indicator below 1%. We store audit samples for up to 3 years to confirm product quality. NPP Spectr is a full-cycle plant with patented production technology. We guarantee high quality across the entire production chain, from incoming quality control down to finished product. The production capacity is 10,000 tons of paint per year. The company uses the latest European equipment: Netsch, Mettler Toledo, BYK Gardner, List Magnetic, Ransburg. High-quality equipment produces paints with 5 microns grinding. This creates materials with good hiding power, thin layer application, easier correction of unpainted areas. Product's high manufacturability is confirmed by ISO 9001 and other certificates of key research institutes of Rosatom Company and the Russian military-industrial complex. CERTA is a professional product. It was previously available only to the industrial sector, nuclear, oil and chemical plants, space, and aviation engine building. CERTA Core is a complex of protective coatings based on innovative polyorganosiloxane resins for protection of metal and concrete surfaces in aggressive industrial environments. Up to 25 years maintenance-free period. CERTAplast is an anti-corrosive, protective, and decorative forge and hammer paints. Up to 11 years maintenance-free period. Sienna is a premium spray paint with a deep texture. Color groups: pastel colors, classic shades, metallic. New, craquelure, dense cracking pattern. Fusion, highly decorative acrylic paints. Spray cans with seals on the label. New, glitter pattern with sparkling decorative sequins. The warehouse stores highly demanded commodity items. Paint production in 1 to 3 days. We deliver across Russia and the CIS countries. We have set up a modern sales department. The plant's products can be purchased from firm showrooms, more than 70 dealers in Russia and the CIS, shops, wholesale stores. We carry out direct delivery to facilities. We have 20+ years in paint business. Our product was delivered to 3,000+ clients in the following industries: defense industry, nuclear power plants, oil gas production, industrial production, civil engineering, household use. NPP Spectr paint plant, #1 producer of thermo-stable enamels in Russia. Start your business with Spectr.